Welcome back to Wolfworks Productions SM. Today we're going to be looking at the Aerobot Air Raid from Transformers Age of the Primes. First look at the packaging here. Here we have Air Raid in his robot mode and his vehicle mode. On the side here we have some of the primes. I think this is Onyx Prime. I can't remember who these two are. We have Air Raid in his robot and vehicle mode. On the side here we have Superion. On the top it says Aerobot Air Raid, and on the bottom, there you go. For Air Raid here, and look at his accessories. He only comes with two. He comes with these two blasters, which are the exact same ones. And for articulation here for Air. Articulation here for Air Raid. His arm can go almost all the way around. You just come with the wing out the way here. Arm can go out that far. Let's have a bicep swivel. A bit of 90-degree bend there. He has no wrist rotation. He does have a waist rotation. His leg can go up this far. His leg can go down that far. He does have a thigh swivel. His leg can only bend like that far. You got an ankle tilt. His foot can go forward due to transformation, but can't go back. For his head can go up that far. He can look down that far. He can tilt side to side just a tiny bit, and his head can go all the way around. Just gonna take a look at the nice head sculpt here for Air Raid. It's got some silver here, blue eyes, and gray face. Autobot symbol here, some red and some white and black. Got Autobot symbols on the wings. For size comparison here, we have I can get him take a second here. Here we have Legacy United Tarn next to Air Raid. We have Legacy G2 Laser Prime, and then here we have Legacy Skullgrin. Alright, for transformation here for Air Raid, it's gonna be pretty simple. So we're gonna first pull these legs out, and next we are going to flip his head around. I'm going to clip this in. His arms are going to just literally clip into the side, then going to clip his wings into his arms. You're going to fold his feet, and I can get it. Fold. I'm gonna clip that in, fold those, fold the wings down, and you're going to rotate these. I can never get them to sit evenly though. And And then you can sit here and attach his guns here, or you could put them in his hands, I guess, if you really wanted to. There we have Air Raid in his vehicle mode. He's got some white striping here on the wings, Autobot symbols, got some silver paint here, he's got some gray here, got some nice molded in detail for the thrusters in the back. So there is Air Raid for vehicle mode comparison. Let's see. Got two characters here. That'll work. Here you have him next to Cloud Cover, which Cloud Cover is a giant jet compared to Air Raid here. This is, he is a Voyager figure, and this is only a deluxe figure. So there, here he is next to Cloud Cover. Cloud Cover over here. Then we have him next to Mirage from War for Cybertron. They're a bit closer in size since they are both deluxes. And then finally, because why not, here he is next to Blitzwing in his tank mode from Legacy. Alright, there is Air Raid. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.